Hey everyone, Yogesh here from Utilize Business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Rank Math SEO plugin on your website so that your website is SEO optimized. This plugin is super easy to set it up. It will take just few minutes to set it up, and this plugin is free to start with. Stick around till the end of the video. Look at all the steps and install it on your website. Our video starts right now. Welcome back. So this is the backend of one of my websites that I'm currently building it. What I'll do is I'll show you step by step how to install the Rank Math and how to configure it to your website. It's really easy. So first you got to do is just go to a plugin and add new. Search plugin right here. So this is the plugin we need to install. Let's go to plugin, let's go down right here and then click on active, setup wizard. So you'll get three different options. Easy, it is recommended for pretty much everyone, including myself. I'll just go for the easy one. Let the Rank Math do everything for you. Advanced is for someone who wants to control, who knows a lot more about the SEO and wants to control their own aspect. Custom mode is select this if you have a custom Rank Math setting file, so we won't forget about that. So let's click on easy and then just say start wizard, and then it will just ask you a couple of questions. So this one, the WordPress, this one website is for personal blog, but if you click on this, there's a lot of other options that might suit what website you have it. Now I already uploaded my logo, or you can add in other logo. Now default social share image. This is where if there's no image and you might not want other social media Rank Math to just pick anyone, well, you can just choose your own and save it. Okay, what you can do is just upload file, select. So let's see. So use this file, save and continue. Connect to your Rank Math account. You need to make a Rank Math account if this is your first time. I already have a Rank Math account. So what I'll do is just, and if you don't, you can just sign up. It's free. Just sign up as a new one, or you can use one of these social media, Google or the Facebook, to set up a account with the Rank Math so that you're. So then the next one is the Search Console. So you can connect with the Search Console, which is for the Google Analytical. That will help you with the searches and with the URLs, if your URL is indexed or not. So that's a little bit more on the analytical side, but I don't want to go that. This one is if you want to select any of your analytics to your website, AdSense, if you have any AdSense course account. That's it, your site is ready, and then you can enable the auto update. Okay, so once our Rank Math is set up, you can do is optimize the post. Let me see if I have any post on this. If I do, and I'll just show you right here. So let's use this one of the post example of how you can use Rank Math to optimize as an SEO. Right now this is just a draft that for one of my blog that I'm going to put it in. Right now you can see it has 21 out of 100 in the SEO optimization. So if you click on this, so the first thing we need to do is focus keyword. So all we'll just do is right. So you see right here it jumps to 65. Now the idea is to get close as possible to 100. The other ways you can do is if you go down, you see here it talks about basic SEO, focus words in the SEO title, not found in your SEO meta description. So this is the meta description. So what I'll do is here, good. it increases to 67. Does not appear at the beginning of the content, right? And you see here it pulls that to 73. So with this one, basic SEO is all done. Thing we look at is right here. So what they're saying is the focus keyword is not found in subheading. I don't think I have any subheadings so far in this. So what I'll do is I'll make one. So then there it says add an image, focus as your thing. So what I'm going to do is upload an image, make it right here is the alt text, and I'll just put real estate right. So then they talk about the keyword density. That's where you go in and increase it long, consider the shortening. Let's go here. Right, so now you see it's green color 83, so your article is slowly getting more optimized to, and then what you gotta do is just add any interlinks to the article to make this number go higher and higher. So first of all, install a Rank Math plugin if you don't have it on your website, and configure it to your website, and then how you can use it to optimize article so that it's optimized fully, properly, and it's easily rankable to the keywords that you're trying to rank it with the help of this plugin. And most importantly, this plugin is free. So if you don't have it, I suggest you use this plugin, install this plugin, and use it on your blogs, so that your blogs can be optimized as much as possible to rank the keywords for what you're looking for in the Google. Alright guys, so you're still watching this video and you did get any value from this, do me a favor, hit the like button, put a comment in it so that Google will show this video to other people who are actually looking to optimize, looking for an SEO plugin that can help them optimize their website, their blogs, not to spend extra money. Getting this plugins free of cost. Alright guys, see you in the next video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the notification button for the next new video. Bye guys.